Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular business management tool for freelancers and small business owners. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, how much is HoneyBook a year? Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about why I'm so passionate about HoneyBook. I've been using HoneyBook for several years now, and it's helped me to streamline my business and get organized. I'm also a huge fan of the HoneyBook team, who are always coming up with new features and improvements to make the product even better. So, with that said, let's get started. What is HoneyBook? HoneyBook is a business management tool that helps you to keep track of your clients, projects, and finances. It's a great tool for freelancers and small business owners who are looking for a way to stay organized and efficient. How much does HoneyBook cost? HoneyBook offers a variety of pricing plans to choose from. The most popular plan is the Solo plan, which costs $39 per month. The Solo plan includes all of the basic features of HoneyBook, such as the ability to create proposals, send invoices, and track your time. If you need more features, you can upgrade to the Premium plan. The Premium plan costs $79 per month and includes additional features such as the ability to create custom workflows, track your expenses, and generate reports. HoneyBook also offers an enterprise plan for larger businesses. The enterprise plan is priced individually, so you'll need to contact HoneyBook for more information. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, HoneyBook also charges a transaction fee for each payment that you process through the platform. The transaction fee is 3% of the payment amount. Is HoneyBook worth the cost? I believe that HoneyBook is absolutely worth the cost. It's a powerful tool that can help you to save time, money, and stress. If you're a freelancer or small business owner, I highly recommend giving HoneyBook a try. How to get started with HoneyBook? If you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, you can visit their website or sign up for a free trial. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on how to grow your business. Thank you for watching.